Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Subaru Impreza key fob. It's important to know that programming methods vary significantly by model year and key fob type. Some older, teardrop-shaped fobs can be programmed at home, while newer, rectangular fobs typically require a dealership or a professional locksmith. Always check your owner's manual first to determine the correct procedure for your specific vehicle. Before you begin, identify your key fob type. If it's a teardrop shape, you likely can program it yourself. For rectangular fobs, professional help is usually needed. If DIY is an option, open your key fob case to find the 8-digit transmitter code printed on the circuit board. Write this number down, as you will need it later in the process. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and the vehicle turned off. Next, open the driver's door, unlock all doors using the door button, then close the driver's door. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly turn it from the OFF to the on position 10 times in a row. You should hear a chime from the instrument panel after the 10th turn, indicating you've entered programming mode. Once in programming mode, you'll have about 45 seconds to enter your 8-digit transmitter code. For each digit of the code, press the driver's side door lock button the corresponding number of times, then press the unlock button once. Repeat this for all 8 digits. After entering the code twice for confirmation, remove the key from the ignition. Test all buttons on your key fob to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.